Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's see, how do we take the instructions are to rewrite each expression using rational exponent notation. So how do we approach this? Well, what we have to remember is that when we take the square root of a number, let's call this A, let's call this B. This is the equivalent of saying that we're going to do B over A. So another way of looking at this is to recall that when we normally take the square root of something, we say it's 1/2. Or if we take the square root of, let's say, something that has a visible exponent, so let's say we take something like this, it would be the inside raised to the 1/2, or simply x to the 3/2, right? Well, if that's true, then what are we actually saying? Well, what we're saying is that the exponent inside goes on top, and then the index, which here is not written, but it's 2, goes on the bottom. And that's all that this is saying right here, that the index goes to the bottom, and that the exponent, goes on top. Okay? So if that's true, then I can rewrite this as 63. 5 is on the bottom, 3 is on the top. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Similarly, if I ask you to do the same process but in reverse, then you're just exactly going to do that. So over here, again, remember 5 is the index. So in an example like such, 3 would be the index. And then if we look at it, 3 is on the outside. So here we can say negative 57 with 3 on the outside. Okay, it's actually, I'm sorry, here we have 4. So we would write, let me go back a little bit, we would write 4 here. Okay, we can also rewrite this as, if we want, we can also rewrite this as such. These would be equivalent. So, there you have it.